Welcome to this moment of gentle release. Take a comfortable position and close your eyes softly. Begin by taking 3 slow, deep breaths, allowing your shoulders to drop with each exhale. Now, bring your attention to your jaw. Notice any tightness, clenching, or holding patterns without judgment. This is completely natural. Place your tongue gently against the roof of your mouth. Then let it rest softly at the bottom. Imagine warm, golden light flowing into your jaw muscles. With each breath out, feel these muscles softening like warm honey. Let your lips part slightly, creating space between your upper and lower teeth. As your jaw releases, notice how this relaxation spreads across your entire face. Your forehead smooths, your eyes soften, your cheeks release. This physical letting go creates space for mental calm and clarity. Take one final deep breath, wiggling your jaw gently. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, carrying this sense of release with you.